Lately, I've been playing a game called Session. It's a skateboarding game, and in my opinion, it's pretty darn awesome. I used to play the Tony Hawk games as a kid, just like everyone else, and I thought that skating was pretty darn cool, just like everyone else. There was just something really cool about skating, and well, there still is today. I personally never was any good at skating, but I kind of wish that I had learned while I had the chance. But this got me thinking about how skateboarding got started, and how far it's come since it began. To see a skateboard from the 1950s compared to something lining the walls of a skate shop today, that's kind of awe-inducing. So let's have a quick talk about the technological advancements in skateboarding. When skateboarding began, people would use open ball bearings, but as time went on, precision ball bearings came into play around the mid-1970s, and these became the standard for skaters. Having damaged or uncared for bearings can slow you down and affect the way that you skate, and in some cases, bearings can seize completely. The most common bearings are made of steel, but there are also ceramic bearings. Ceramic bearings are going to be more pricey, but they're also going to have some benefits, such as less maintenance and a smooth, quick ride. This is a bearing. It's basically just two rings, one larger than the other, but they both have a chase on the inner edge. A chase is a channel for the balls inside of a bearing to roll through. This allows the outer ring to rotate as the inner ring remains stationary. Skateboard wheels have come a long way since they were made of steel, clay, and composite plastics before they were ever made of urethane. The change to polyurethane wheels took place in the 1970s, and it was a huge leap in the right direction because now skaters had more grip from a more reliable and more resilient wheel. It's very important that a skate wheel not flat spot because that causes a variety of problems. Companies like Spitfire put a lot of time and money into solving this problem. Spitfire specifically has done a really good job with their Formula 4 wheels. These are known to be extremely hard to flat spot, as well as being a very high quality wheel that bowl and street skaters really like. There are all different types of sizes, densities, and shapes for all different types of skaters, so you're going to have to pick the wheel that's right for you. Back before they ever made trucks for skateboards, people would just use axles off of roller skates. Even with Val Surf being the first shop to carry skateboards and skateboard equipment starting in 1962, it wouldn't be until 1973 that Ronald Bennett would invent the first truck designed for a skateboard. These trucks greatly improved control for skaters. Things really changed after Independent showed up on the scene in 1978, and they created a brand that's still going strong to this very day. These guys even offer hollow trucks now where the kingpin and the axle are actually hollowed out. This takes a little bit of weight out of each of the trucks, and some people say that this actually helps them when skating. Wax is used to reduce friction between your board or trucks and whatever you intend on grinding. Just rub it on a rail or a ledge and get to trying. You can also apply it to the underside of your board and trucks. They also come in different shapes and colors just for fun. Grip tape is pretty self-explanatory, but yeah, it helps you grip your board better. This came out in the 1970s, and it helps give just enough resistance so that skaters can do things like ollie. These have also been made a lot more fun with a bunch of different designs and colors. As for the hardware, you guessed it, colored. This isn't just for vanity though. This is actually to help tell the nose or tail end of your board with just a quick glance. Okay, let's talk about the deck. Skateboards in their infancy were just roller skate axles on a plank of wood for the deck. Compare that to today's decks that are made from 7 plies of wood with a glue or epoxy between each one before they get put into a press for about 3 hours. Santa Cruz even has decks with carbon fiber in them now. Once they get removed from the press, they get trimmed into shape, and then the edges are beveled down and the whole board is sanded smooth. After sanding, boards are sprayed with a base coat of paint before drying and having a design heat pressed onto it. After all of this, they finally get packed up and sent to your local skate shop or sold online. Okay, so finally, what would this video be without some actual skaters? So let's head down to the park, see if we can find some, and if we can, let's give away some free shit, shall we?
Alright, bro, yeah. I just want to say, shout out to Pharmacy, bro. Go check them out at Gallery Mall. Shout out, bro. This is a sick ass board. Made it as fuck. I appreciate it, G.
Yeah, shout out the local skate shop, for real. They helped us out.
Shout out to the farm. Got all this out here. Thank you. We got JC out here skating and stuff. He came out here. He got a stud. Thanks, Pharmacy, bro.
Just lit.
Alright, yeah.
Keep us skating. Keep us riding.
Yes, sir, bros.
Okay, I just got back from JC Park, and I wanted to say thank you to the three at the end, especially because it's Xavier, Roman, and Bryce. Those three really put on a show, and I wanted to say thank you a lot. And to everyone else that won some stuff, I hope you all enjoyed it as well. But anyway, I'm Ty. This has been The Tech Bone. I'll catch you guys later.